Mr. Shekhar, State Treasurer, Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Shelviji, President, BJP Intellectual Cell. Sri N. Rajaji, State Vice President, Bharatiya Janata Party. Yamachandranji, Intellectual Cell Secretary. Other dignitaries on the dais, friends of media. Today, Intellectual Cell prepared and presented the video for coming election campaign. In this campaign particularly, they highlighted our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Under his leadership, India overall development in all aspects, infrastructure, agriculture sector, industrial sector, IT sector, and safety and security, land order, and also against corruption. Under Narendra Modi ji, we have taken lot of decisions, lot of schemes we are implementing. Everybody knows Tamil Nadu, Puruchitalai Srimati Jayalalitha ji Amma. After his demise, everybody feels in Tamil Nadu there is a no long time ADMK government will perform in Tamil Nadu, but with the support of the government, with the support of the Tamil Nadu people, under leadership of the Palani Swamiji, with a good administration, last 4 years, it did a lot of activity. And now after 4 years, everybody feels of Tamil Nadu, state of this. They want to Palani Swami continue as a chief minister. In COVID pandemic situation also, he deal very effectively. Infrastructure, last 4 years, we did lot of activity. In agriculture sector, in Tamil Nadu, last 4 years, is encouraged. Even pandemic situation also. Now, people of Tamil Nadu, they don't want to forget as a Palani Swami chief minister. They don't want to family rule in Tamil Nadu. They want to democratic government in Tamil Nadu. They don't want to dictatorship government. Tamil Nadu people wants people's government, not family government. In Tamil Nadu, people-friendly government don't want to rowdyism, gundaism government. Day to day, ANNA-DMK, BJP, NDA campaign is growing. People are in favor of NDA under leadership of the Palani Swami. Prime Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah ji, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, BJP President Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, Women and Child Welfare Minister and Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Smriti Irani ji, Women and Child Welfare Minister, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ji. We are expecting coming few days for election campaign in Tamil Nadu. Tomorrow there will be withdrawals. After tomorrow, NDA campaign we are going to concentrate door to door. We are going to concentrate voter to voter in coming election with the coordination of the NDA allied parties. Our manifesto also, BJP manifesto also, we completed. Next week we want to release our manifesto BJP state unit, and also proper coordination with the ADMK and PMK and other allied political parties. Effectively, we want to campaign. After withdrawals of the tomorrow, next day onwards, campaign will effectively we want to organize. Already Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, other ministers, they are moving their respective areas, respective districts. We will release our election manifesto and also our leaders' tours details. Mr. VK Singh, Minister of Road Transport, he also in the Tamil Nadu election campaign. Tomorrow he will address a press conference here along with the BJP state president and BJP state leaders. That is my side. Thank you very much.